Ertalab samolyot harakatlanish boshlashi bilan karta qirsin tablosi.
Petersburg and we're gonna catch the bus. I am in the city of St. Petersburg. Oh, check out some fountains. It's a pretty little garden I'm in. Took a bus into the airport. Can't believe I'm in Russia. I don't know, I think it's just the most foreign and both language and culture wise, like just the most foreign place I've been to. And I don't know, it's like I feel like I'm traveling for the first time again. I think because like it's probably because I'm here alone. There's nobody here that I really know. I don't really know anyone. I don't think I know anyone who lives in St. Petersburg either, so it's just like, it's freaking awesome. Alright, just gonna walk around a bit, maybe go to the hostel a little bit later, and just enjoy. Everything is so huge and amazing, and like the streets just look so, I don't even know how to. Hey guys, thanks for watching my first vlog of day one in St. Petersburg. So Avery told me she was going to arrive at 3 p.m. but actually she's arriving 10 p.m. So I have had about 2 days in St. Petersburg without her, but this city is crazy. It's amazing. I mean, I think it's just the vastness of everything. Like the buildings are just huge, you know, you have these huge walled buildings everywhere you turn. There's a beautiful cathedral. It's the architecture is just wow, and it's so weird to walk around without taking photos or taking videos, because it feels like I'm in a movie, or like I'm watching a movie as I'm walking through the city. It's that crazy. This is what Russia calls white nights. As you can see, it's 10 p.m. and still freaking bright. I think maybe the sun sets in like about 11 or 10:30, 11. Thanks for watching. Hopefully Avery will be in the next one. Tell us what you think. Share with us what's happening in your summers. Yeah, and I will try to live more in the present instead of always taking out my camera and videoing and stuff, because maybe that's how I process things. I don't know, because like when I'm just walking around without a camera, I'm just like, this is so beautiful. I don't know what to do. It's too beautiful. Anyways, see you guys later. they're having fun down there.